What is roosting? A bird chooses a roosting site, a place to sleep and rest with care. In the dim twilight, birds find a roost site and hunker down for the evening. I have tried everything to get rid of these darn birds. So now look what I got. Where they at? These right here, poppets. Watch this. You hear that? If I do this every night, I'm thinking this will get them to go away. Wow. You can hear how many birds in that tree. That's ridiculous. All these beautiful trees in the neighborhood. Why my tree? Hundreds of birds every night roosting in my tree. All right, we're going to try it again. This is every night around between 7:30 and 8:30. You get to hear the birds. But tonight, watch this. We're not harming them in any way. We're just deterring them from wanting to come roost in my tree. I mean, when they take off, it's a flock. You guys remember that movie, The Birds? That's what this sounds like, the birds. And then the poop on my car is just ridiculous. See, look at that. Every day I have to rinse my car off. Bird poop. Yuck. Wow. I have used the poppets for the past 6 nights and the flock seems to be getting smaller.